Guys, we're in the mart and look at what I found. A stress ball corn. And I found a stress ball hamburger. I found so much things even. A cat stress ball. I found even simple dimples of Among Us. And come guys, look at come here. Look at what I found too. They have an elephant, to play a game, the dice one. They have Among Us one, and they have a Baby Yoda, and they have even a butterfly and a Hello Kitty, and they have like this is what I found too. We found simple dimples of emojis, and we found a bracelet puppet, and we found these simple dimples for fidget spinners, and we found monkey noodles. Guys, I in this school there's so much things like shred balls, even snappers. Look at this one. Okay, they're so good. Whoa, big tattoo. And look at this, even little octopus puppets, and they have controller puppets. Look at guys, I found a little how you call it, little bag. It's a puppy, how you call it, pineapple. And we even found more things. A cactus, a Mickey Mouse, and we found I'm gonna take these two, I'm gonna get more. Look at this cube. Oh. It's a white and black cube, but this one is cooler. Look at this. Look at it guys, there's more puppets. This is soccer ball, there's even an apple. There's so much puppets. Look at this prize puppets. And there's little mini letters. What is this? Oh, look at it. So cute. Okay. Let's see more. There's a unicorn biggest puppet. There's even donut puppet. I'm gonna take this stuff. I'm gonna take a little bag puppet. I'm gonna take a corn stress ball. I'm gonna take a spinner golden puppet, and I'm gonna take a stress ball. I think I'm gonna get one last thing.